Allowing is a key distinction in the Make Happen method. When we allow things to be, rather than fight them or try to change them, they paradoxically lose their grip. Using the allowing polarity sentence, I allow myself to X as much as I do, and I allow myself to the opposite of X as much as I do, we can quickly neutralise a frame that is running us. By frame, we mean a broad description through which we are seeing life. For example, let's take the frame procrastination. Simply saying the phrase, I allow myself to procrastinate as much as I do, and I allow myself to finish things as much as I do, is much more effective than saying I'm going to stop procrastinating. The allowing polarity takes us closer to reality. Nobody is one particular way all the time, and there are always examples in our lives of the opposite of a particular frame. So take a quality about yourself you are resisting, and instead allow it to be, through the allowing polarity. This has much more impact if you say it out loud and repeat it a few times until you are really allowing both sides of the polarity.